Okay, this is good. That smell good, y'all. You guys, so we are about to leave. Hey, where's
big brother, y'all.
Okay, now you better tell them first.
Are you cheating? Mama. Cause I did.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we are back with another day in my life vlog, honey. Yes, and as y'all can see by the title, this is going to be a festive Christmas vlog, you guys. We are setting new family trends. We are creating new appetizer recipes, honey. I'm going to show y'all how I make my famous shrimp deviled eggs. Yes, ma'am. I have been requested to make them for the Christmas pajama game night party, girl, that we are having tonight at my in-laws house. We are going to my mother-in-law's house, and it's gonna be a big family event. We're all wearing Christmas pajamas, and we are playing TikTok games, honey, that we have found down to the TikTok girl cup games, like this tic-tac-toe game that you play with like the whole family and everything. And of course, I'm taking y'all with me. So yeah, y'all, we're about to go ahead and get into this daily vlog. I also have a Christmas gift that showed up to the house. It's from my oldest daughter, Kayla. And so it's a candle haul that we're going to do from Bath and Body Works. So I want to show you guys these candles. And some of them I did not even know that Bath and Body Works had. So I think you guys will be interested in seeing what those are like as well. But yes, girl, want to come open up the vlog, say hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Tonya Latrice. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. I do all things beauty, lifestyle, home decor, and a few vlogs here and there, obviously. So yes, y'all, definitely subscribe to my channel if you like it. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hype me up. Y'all know it's this new thing YouTube is doing. I realize a lot of my subscribers, a lot of my supporters, you all watching me on your TV, so you probably can't hype it up. You probably like, what is she talking about? But you can give it a thumbs up, and I do appreciate everybody that does that. So y'all, yep, let's go ahead and get into this vlog. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this candle haul from Bath and Body Works. Okay, now y'all listen, I am obsessed with candles, okay, and my children know it. Was so excited when we got these in the mail yesterday, and like I said, some of them I was pretty shocked, but y'all know stress relief is one of our go-to scents. If you're looking for something very nice, relaxing, for a nice cozy home vibe, this is definitely something that you like. I love to light this when you take a nice relaxing shower, for like your shower routine. Baby, go pick this one up. It is amazing. We also picked up, I need to take these out the boxes anyway. Well, we picked up, she also sent us eucalyptus lavender. Now, this is one that I actually have not purchased yet, but y'all, when I tell you, oh my God. Oh my God, it smells so good. Y'all definitely go pick this one up. Eucalyptus lavender, baby, it smells so good. Love that. It's such a refreshing scent, y'all. Like if you want a really nice calm scent in your home, then go pick that up. This one here is lavender vanilla. I was gonna say lavender lemon, because y'all know they have a lavender lemon too. But yeah, this is lavender vanilla, and it smells so calming, so relaxing. Like if you have some children, or if you want to really calm down your night, like this at about 5 o'clock, because y'all know it get dark at 5. Like this about 5 o'clock, run your bath, or give your kids a bath, like this candle, baby. I promise you, they'll probably be asleep in no time. Definitely go pick that up. Let's see here. We also have, now this is one that I did not know that they sold, y'all. I have this in the body spray. It's covered in roses. I have this in the body spray, but I did not know that they had a candle for it. You guys know this is one of the Bath and Body Works luxury scents. And I was like, wait, they have this? I was so excited to smell it, y'all. It smells Oh my God. It smells like a fresh bouquet of roses. Okay, it smells so good. If you are a girly girl, you love like really soft, real pretty, real feminine scents, go pick up this Covered in Roses candle, you guys, because it smells so good. I love it. And this is my first time smelling it. I have it in the body spray, but that candle, yes ma'am, it smells so good, y'all. We have one more. So we also have Noor candle, and this is more along the dominant masculine scent line. I told y'all before, any type of like dominant masculine scent going burning in our home, baby, it just does something to me. Listen, ladies, y'all know it's the holiday season. If you have a man in your life, doesn't matter if it's a father, your man, just a brother, someone like that, pick this candle up for him. I promise you. Y'all know mahogany teak wood is another like unisex scent, but this one is a unisex scent as well. Girl, go get this. Oh my God. Baby, you did this. This is good, Kayla. Okay, this is good. That smell good, y'all. But yes, honey, that is the candle haul. I just wanted to show you guys, got a little Christmas gift in the mail, and so I wanted to do an unboxing with y'all and show y'all the candle haul. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna say y'all probably already use all of the others, but definitely go pick this one up for sure, y'all, because it smells so good. But now I just put on the eggs so we could go ahead and start doing our deviled eggs. Right now it's like almost 2 o'clock. I do believe we're supposed to meet up around 4, probably like 4:35, I'm guessing, because I still have to do the deviled eggs. Baby we have Christmas pajamas already, okay? We do have some matching ones, but babe went to Marshall's. She wants to see if she could find us some different Christmas pajamas, so y'all know I'm with it. I think she said they had really nice Ralph Lauren pajamas at Marshall, so she's going to see if they still have some. Yeah, y'all, and I'm gonna make the shrimp deviled eggs. So then we got somebody bringing like rotel. We're gonna have wine, girl. We are gonna have, baby is bringing chicken. So we're just gonna have a bunch of food, a lot of games, a lot of partying. I'm gonna try to be as present as possible, of course, during the moment, but I'm also gonna, you know, cut the camera on when I can so that you guys can get a feel of what it's like, you know, when we are spending time with our family, you know, just really being in the family vibe, because I told y'all for this Vlogmas season, I wanted y'all to get to know me a little bit better. So why not? What's the best way than to, you know, check a person out when they're around their family? So yeah, y'all, girl, let me go ahead and put these boxes up, see what else I'm about to get into before I start cooking, because I think I'm gonna straighten up a little bit. I kind of already did a little cleaning around the house, but I'm gonna do a little bit more before we probably get ready to head out, because if baby don't find those pajamas, then I do have a pair of red pajamas that I'm thinking about wearing. I also have like a Christmas themed pair of pajamas as well, and baby keeps stressing the fact that it's a Christmas pajama party and she wants to be on theme, honey. Okay, she wants to be on theme. So y'all, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the haul real quick, and I'm gonna be back with y'all in a little bit. You guys, so we are about to leave out the house. We running a little late, honey, running behind everybody calling us. Where's the shrimp? Deviled eggs, where's the chicken? So we are about to run out the house, get in the Uber, and I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the party. Y'all, me and baby got on our red pajamas. Y'all have a ride, y'all. We're about to take some shots. My mother-in-law back there.
Candy, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
They like what he on. This is Alpha and Omega, bitch. Welcome home.
Y'all bad and y'all know.
This is not a song. Now they get a
You want more than one too? Did I cheat you? Wait, that's on her. Oh, they so big.
Y'all leave. Y'all leave.
I know what I'm never saying. Mama, that's what's right. You know that thing by the time.
Where's your head? Where your shot at?
When I was done.
Hey, that's it.
feel late on the shots, but I'm gonna take off this sweater because I'm hot as fuck.
Don't start cheating, Greg.
Say, let me get you. It's your turn.
Oh no, no.
Are you cheating?
Mama.
Cause I did.
Let's do it. Mama, stop.
What she doing?
You gotta toss them all up, and then you gotta catch them in the cup.
And why I'm so discombobulated? That's my turn.
What's that next? Good one.
I gotta do those.
Yeah.
Y'all can now be practicing.
We got so hard. Toss them light.
Go.
We got big brother versus little brother. He done took his shirt off and shit.
I'm gonna start over, y'all. I'm gonna start over.
Your
I
man.
thought she was pregnant. Why you starting off?
Huh? I'm
Oh yeah, he's a lefty. Yeah.
We got contestant number
damn cold.
Contestant
You
number
gotta stop cheating.
Damn cold. This why I'm a big brother, y'all. Don't be cold. Go. Hey, you and Tamika get on that side. Side. Yeah. That's why I'm the big brother again.
Get off the floor.
My brother and his woman. Who gonna win? He a clown, y'all.
You been sleep all day. You ain't done yet?
Undefeated.
It don't count.
My brother, he's still undefeated.
Don't judge. He gotta aim at the base of the bar and work on the house.
I feel like I feel about I know this stuff.
Since y'all lost, y'all gotta take
We gotta take a shot. So y'all go up there.
Hey, where?
Oh, get that cold, we got it. We already won. Go.
We won! We got that! Let them score. Y'all big score. Let them score the line. Come on. Ready, rolling up. You go! I just go.
Ready, it's not good. Come back.
Yeah, we can do this, y'all.
Come back.
That's right, little turd. God doggone it.
And then they gonna try to put the two stores ones in the front. No, they ain't doing that.
All right, come on.
Go!
Oh, my second down.
This going on YouTube. Hey y'all, good morning and welcome back to the daily vlog. Y'all, I have been up for about 3 hours. We woke up at about 5 o'clock. Right now it's probably about 8 or so. Girl, a time was had last night. Okay, I don't know what it is about when I make it home from places, child, and just, girl, my phone will not end up on the charger. My jewelry on the floor. I went to bed hungry. Well, y'all, let me tell y'all about when we got to the family event, y'all. So we ended up getting there a little bit late because baby had to go and handle some business at work, honey. And you know, work comes before everything, okay, because she is a provider. But y'all, yeah, so we ended up getting there probably about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours late. And so when we got there, y'all, we walked in, child, they was just sitting down watching TV, girl, just listening to music. Like they really wasn't like partying or anything. Cause y'all know, baby, I don't know if y'all know it or not, but we are the life of the party, y'all. We showed up with the deviled eggs per request. We showed up with the Wingstop per request. We brought some wine, and we also bought some games, y'all. So as y'all can see, honey, we played the games, and girl, if you are looking for some fun things to do with friends, family, probably even at a nice little work function or like a work party, do those games, y'all. They were so much fun. And this was honestly the first time like my in-laws and I kind of mingled in that way. You know, usually when we have like a family gathering, it's just kind of hanging out, you know, talking mess, talking smack, you know, drinking, whatever, eating, having a good time. But we thought this year, you know, we kind of wanted to make it a little bit themed. So, you know, babe and I were like, let's have a Christmas pajama party. And it was like, oh, that's like a great idea. I was like, well, let's add in some family games. And adding in the family games, y'all, just really elevated our family time experience. Like, it really just made you get to know them even more, and probably me as well. But y'all, we had a blast. The food was so good. They had meatballs, mini wieners, some type of jalapeno dip, rotel before we got there. And y'all know we brought the deviled eggs and the wings. Baby, the deviled eggs was almost gone. Y'all, I made like 32 of them. When we left, there was only 4 left. They were so good. I didn't even show them to y'all now that I'm thinking about it. I didn't even show y'all, girl, because we was just rushing, okay? But I will make them again. And when I make them again, because babe has already requested them, because I don't think she feel like she had enough of them last night. And I told her, go ahead and save the last few for your mother, since she did ask for them by special request. But y'all, yes, and then my brother-in-law, he got on us because he was like, y'all ain't even go help mama cook, help mama clean. And y'all, she puts us out, girl, before anybody has time to clean up. But of course, he still cleaned, and you know, we left, the house was clean. It was really nice. It was such a wonderful experience. You know, just spending time with family, spending time with my in-laws, you know, just getting to know each other a little better, because I feel like when you are really interacting with people, you know, like playing games together and things like that, you kind of get to know them better. You know, they tend to do it at work. When they want you to get to know your coworkers better, they'll like have like a little game or whatever that you guys, you know, have to interactively do together. And so, yeah, I just thought that it was such a good time, honey. But girl, I am tired from this week's shenanigans, okay? I was sore 2 days coming from that floating sleigh ride downtown, baby, because I think because it was so cold, and you know, I'm a little older child, and I don't think I was dressed fully appropriately to be out there, honey, in that weather. So yeah, y'all, but we had a blast last night, y'all. The food was delicious. The wings were good, y'all. Those shrimp deviled eggs were a hit. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna make them again and show you guys how I made them, because I feel like that's something that you would want to make for your family. But yes, I definitely wanted to come and end out the vlog properly, because I realized in the last vlog I didn't end it out like all the way. I just kind of was like, bye y'all. But I wanted to come end out this vlog, let y'all know how the night went. In the Uber home from the party, y'all, I was almost asleep. I was almost asleep because your girl was tired. But yeah, I just wanted to come end out this daily vlog. Glad that you guys got a chance to, you know, just hang out with me, spend some time with me and my family today, my in-laws and stuff. So yeah, y'all, until next time, I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Love y'all. Bye.